Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Gardena Smart Sileno City Robot Lawnmower. In this case here it's the 600 square meter maximum set. That means here it comes with an innovative loaner AI technology system. Adjustment via the app control. We have sensor control for slopes up to 35%. Comes with smart gateway included. It's also in different sizes available. You can have a 500 square meters, 750, and 1000. And you can have these lawnmowers in different models. That means you can have by Gardena Sileno Minimo. This is the silent mower for small lawns. And Sileno City, like that robotic lawnmower here, we can enjoy mowing small areas. And of course, for the bigger life, the Sileno Live. This is a silent mower for medium-sized lawns, of course. So you see a lot of possibilities are out there. We have here boundary guiding. Thanks to the guide cables and the boundary wire, the Sileno mowers can navigate reliably through all lawn areas and back to the charging station via the shortest route. We stay in control and keep our mowers safe with the built-in sensors that ensure the mower blades stop once picked up. And, of course, there's more possible with that lawnmower. We have here the LONA technology, LONA. This uses AI, artificial intelligence for the intelligence location, zone management and area protect, and geolocation. We have an intelligent location and geolocation included. Processing mapping of the garden with a precise horizontal projection of the cutting area and the localization of the robot mower in real time on our app. And that's for a green bomb. Zone management allows us to define cutting intensity and frequency for different spaces, as well as locking zones with area protect. And we can have a direct control. The intelligence applications, of course, we have make an online registration with that, allows us to trailer all the functions of the robot mower. So you see, this is a smart device, of course, because this is the next level of smart lawn care. AI-based mapping technology with a location tracking that learns, maps, and adapts to individual gardens. That's only available with the smart Sileno models, of course, on it. LONA technology, baby. And garden mapping. The LONA creates a ground view of the garden. This enables the garden robotic lawnmowers by Gardena to recognize obstacles and zones that need to be mowed more often. And we have here zone management with loaner virtual zones that can be defined in the garden via the app to create different mowing intensities and frequency, or to also include areas from being mowed for a period of time. You see big bunch, baby, area protect option by loaner. This enables the flexible definition of exclusion zones. This allows us to exclude flower beds, flowering meadows, or a trampoline from the mowing process for a period of time without additional stick. Location tracking. Thanks to loaner again, it is possible to track the position of the robotic lawnmower in real time. The robotic lawnmower also knows which area of the garden it is mowing and can be adjust the mowing sensitivity. That's all possible with the next level of smart lawn care by LONA technology. And we have more. Outer weather and terrain. In any weather, in any terrain, the Sileno City works under all the weather conditions, rain or sunshine, easy or complex modes. And it's full connected. We can easily operate with the Gardena Smart System app. The Sileno is fully connected to the smart system. We can make an easy operation and an easy control of our garden, and our garden is taken care of from anywhere, because we can make a connection via the app from every area of the planet with the Gardena smart system. With a smart irrigation system and a robotic mower, the garden is in good hands wherever we are. Complement to our smart garden with that garden smart system accessories, because we can add a lot of them into the bunch of possibilities. For example, we can add smart sensors, measures the soil moisture and the temperature in the garden, as well as plant poles, and displays them in the smart app. Watering can be optimized without a device from Gardena Smart System too. All possible because of the smart system. And smart water control at the tap. For watering a garden area with the tap water. For perfect results, easily via the Gardena Smart app. We add smart sensors to the smart system to save water. That's cool. And we can choose smart power adapter plug. Any device can be plugged into the adapter plug, so for example lamps or water fountains. This can be switched on and off manually via a shuttle using the smart app too. So you see, you have a big possibility with the smart pump, for example, controlled via the Gardena Smart app. The Gardena can be water via predefined shuttles, or water can be used for other things too. And the smart irrigation control. Irrigation control at the best. It's fixed installation and subterranean. Water multiple garden areas individually. We add smart sensor to the smart system to save water, of course. And this is all possible with the Gardena Smart System. And the first step in the Gardena Smart System means that device here, the Gardena Smart router or the gateway, is included into the Gardena Smart Celeno City Robot Lawnmower set here. And this, of course, brings us a lot of joy and a lot of nice stuff. A robotic lawnmower is an autonomous robot used to cut long grass. A typical robot lawnmower requires the user to set up a border wire around the lawn that defines the area to be mowed. The robot uses this wire to locate the boundaries of the area to be trimmed, and in some cases to locate a recharging dock, of course. The robotic lawnmowers are capable of maintaining up to 100,000 square miles of grass is possible. Here you have to choose which garden size you have. 600, 500, 1,200 or something else. Robotic lawnmowers are increasingly sophisticated. These are self-docking and some contain a rain sensor, if necessary. Nearly eliminate human interaction. The robotic lawnmowers represented the second largest category of domestic robots used by the end of 2005. In 2012, the growth of the robotic lawnmower sales was 15 times that of the traditional styles. With the emergence of smartphones, some robotic mowers have integrated features within custom apps to adjust settings or schedule moving times and frequency, as well as manually control to the mower with a digital joystick, for example. This Gardena system, of course, you can operate on the machine itself and via the app. Modern robotic lawnmowers can contain specialized sensors, allowing them to automatically mow around obstacles, or even go to sleep when it starts to rain. The same here. Wherever, if there is a low temperature, for example, and there is a freeze time on the grass, the lawnmower will stop immediately, interrupts, and make a break. In 2012, the vast majority of the robotic lawnmowers tackle the task utilization around a mowing system. Basically, the machine bounced around on the lawn until it hit the boundaries while limited in working areas, then changed the heading until it hit the wire again. Depending on the lower size, that means the machines would be continuous operation. And in the late 2012, the Bosch robotic lawnmowers Indigo creates a map of the user's garden and then tackle the task in a systematic manner, similar to the more modern robotic vacuum cleaners indoor, for example. And here it is nearly the same style. The mower is moving everywhere, and it will makes, because of the loaner system, it will mapping. This costs you 2 or 3 days while it is working, and then you can see where it is, and you can make areas where it should be not mow anymore, something. In recent years, the robotic lawnmowers manufacturers have learned from Bosch, and the mowers have undergone significant advancement in their mowing methods, transitioning from random bouncings to the thematic and efficient mowing patterns. By following a predefined pattern, such as a spiral or a grid, the robotic mowers ensures a complete coverage of the lawn while minimizing overlap and missed spots. As technology has continued to advance, more companies are now utilize real-time kinematic. This is RTK, base station guidance RTK Plus or AI Vision. Here it comes with an AI system which helps to locate the right spots, to eliminate the need for a ground wire to delineate moving areas. Gardena is in the Celeno City, and the others, Celeno City, Smart Celeno City, and Celeno Live, Smart Celeno Live, is also uses wired connectivities, because this is, of course, the safest way to make boundaries for it. For a non-domestic usage, in the absence of a ground wire, the RTK and RTK Plus are currently the only GPS technology that will provide the level of precision required for accurate mowing. And the history is really cool. In 1969, the Mowbot was introduced and patented by S. Lawrence Belling, having many features of today's most popular products. Its weight was 125 pounds. This was selling for $800. This is a lot of cash. For example, cash in 2024, it should be nearly $7,000. And it had an autonomy of 3 hours and 3,000 square feet. In 1992, the first fully solar-powered robotic mower was patented by Andrew Collins and sold by Husqvarna, which marketed in 1995. Husqvarna is the head company, which is Gardena part of it. Okay, Husqvarna, Gardena, yeah, they are stick together. In 2012, the Bosch Indigo introduced lawn mapping to mow in a systematic manner instead of a random pattern. And as of 2019, vision-based intelligence robotic mowers within permanent permeated wires were announced by EEVE, followed by a vision-based robotic mower of a Walter in 2019. In 2020, Husqvarna announced a robotic mower, that was the EPOS, that can navigate completely without a boundary wires, that allowing locate accuracy of 2 up to 3 centimeters using a satellite navigation in coordination with the reference station. And this part of knowledge comes to this Gardena Celeno City models too, but with a wire additionally, of course. In 2023, Firefly Automatics introduced a large battery-powered robotic mower. This is an AMP with cylinder or reel cutting units that also utilize network of RTK reference stations and a GPS for accurate positioning. The AMP mowers were used to autonomously maintain the fairway at the PGA Tour's Black Desert Championship in Utah in October 2024. This was a first in professional golf. You see, a big bunch of history, a big, nice history. The robotic lawnmowers brings the knowledge up to this product. So that means if we have this Gardena Smart Celeno City Robot Lawnmower set, we have to make boundary lines, guiding lines, jobs done. Then, of course, power supply. Then we get it in position and we'll start mowing and make mapping via the AI technology, loaner AI technology. It will make mapping and then you can control it via the app after a couple of days. And then You can additionally check that there are anti-freeze sensors and rain sensors. It is waterproof, so you can use it outside, outdoor use, no prop, for example. You can add others, you can add areas, and so on into the system. That's one of the best lawnmowers, automatic robotic devices I ever have before. This is the Gardena Smart Sileno City Robot Lawnmower Set. Innovative loaner AI technology included, and you can adjustment via the app. Sensor control for slopes up to 35% with Smart Gateway. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.